something crazy is about to happen. I'm going to take this for a spin. This was not planned. Let me get the GoPro and we're going to go for a drive. So it's the end of the day at this this breakfast meet. I say end of the day, it's about midday. Do you remember this Quattro Sport that we were looking at earlier? 450 horsepower. Let's meet the owner. Introduce yourself, introduce the car.
I'm Paul. This is my QS.
Yeah.
It was a QS.
Was a QS.
Yeah, now it's a bit of a beast.
Bit of a beast.
Yeah, 450 brake.
Yeah.
420 torque.
Cool.
Lots and lots of work done. Everyone's been involved.
Yeah, as I say, it definitely looks like Badger 5 work.
Well, Badger 5, yeah, big shout out to Bill and the boys. Luke Aston at Lost in Fab in Manchester. He did fitted my pipe work. Yeah. Oil cooler. Cool. Valve exhaust. Yeah. It's a Badger 5 valve exhaust, but Luke fitted it for
Right,
me.
okay, cool.
Yeah, it was originally built by JBS.
Right.
In Chesterfield. So it's been around. I've had it since 2010.
A long time then.
Yeah. But it's everything ground up.
Yeah.
The car was on a ramp for 26 weeks, back to the original bodywork. Nice. Under seal, Lanagard.
Does look clean in general, you know.
Powder coated. It's a daily.
Yeah.
It's a daily. I drive every day.
Good. Well, you were saying, what's the power running?
450.
Yeah. Cool.
It's a reliable 450. It could have been. Phil could have squeezed a bit more out, but it wasn't.
Best to keep it safe.
He didn't want to squeeze more out, but it's not running meth.
Yeah.
It's not a track car. It's my daily class road car. Yeah. And it's a lot of fun.
So we're at 85 degrees on the oil temperature, which means that we're allowed to just go like this. Whoa. Kicks in nicely, that does.
Yeah, it's nice.
Let's do the window up.
Sorry.
No, it's my one. Oh, the sound of that gearbox. Because you don't hear that it's only third to sixth, isn't it, those gears?
No, it's full.
Oh, it's a full set.
You've got a full box. Aluminium billet fork. Martin had said it's rated over 600.
It's a bit naughty, isn't it? For road use. It's got a bit of power, and I'm not even stretching it really.
It's on pretty much 4x4. It's running on sport mode on the
sport mode on the haldex. Yeah. So this is cool, right? We got Ignition on screen here. I mean, you can't look at this while you're driving. This
no, it's for show.
You got the HPA there to control the four-wheel drive balance.
You could have whatever you want on the screen here.
Yeah, colour MFA. Yeah.
Torque or whatever you want on
it. The gearbox just sounds so cool. And it does drive really tamely when you want to. Like, it's not an all or nothing at all, is it?
The tracking's pretty good as well.
Yeah.
It's Pilot 4 Sport tyres on it. Pilot 5.
Pilot 5s, yeah, I like Pilot 5s.
Give yourself a gap.
Yeah, I was going to say, we need a bit of a gap to do a bit of a... We're at 3,000 revs in third gear, 30 mile an hour. This is a good launch point. Didn't have to fight the wheel too much. So with Jermaine's, I don't know whether you remember back to the video, and I'm like, ugh.
This is why I wanted you to have going.
Yeah.
Because this is usable.
I mean, his is DSG now.
Yeah.
So it's a lot more tame as well.
I didn't want to go beyond a certain point.
Yeah. I haven't driven his since it's DSG, and I do want to.
Yeah. This is running B14, fully polybushed, even the steering rack. It's cock box.
Yeah, and do you know, it doesn't feel overly harsh on the suspension.
No,
you could daily this, which you do, don't you?
Yeah.
I'd be happy dailying this, especially in pole positions as well. These feel good. makes so much difference to the way you can drive.
Do you know how much stick I've had over having that? How big's your penis? And you're driving hand here to there.
It feels amazing. It really does. Because, yeah, it's put a massive smile on my face, as I'm sure you can tell. Yeah, it feels wicked. Like, it just feels special. I mean, we need a little bit more of a clearer road. Yeah. But we'll turn around and then hopefully...
Yeah, give yourself a gap on the way back.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, this feels perfectly civilised. Perfectly civilised. I mean, the clutch takes a little bit of getting used to, as we saw.
It's a 6-paddle clutch.
6 paddles, yeah.
So everything's built for the car to be run stock, really. Yeah. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
But through the twists, you'd love it through the twists. So
yeah. I mean, on a cold, damp morning. See, even just hearing that gearbox, it's just cool.
It's so mechanical, and it's 70 mil from one extreme to the other. That's as far as you've got to go. Yeah, spin it here and give yourself a gap. Makes a lot of noise under 5th and 6th, but I love it.
That's where the haldex really, oh yes.
Weapon?
Yeah, certified weapon.
Weapon.
Woo! That's enough power as well, because okay, Jermaine's 660 on the dyno. It's too much.
Yeah, but I can use this.
You can use all of this.
I can use this.
Yeah.
And I do.
I think this is about the limit of what you'd want to use on the road. Yeah. Like on a track, have as much as you want depending on the track, but on the road, this is enough to get you in trouble very quickly. Just hang back a little bit.
You need everything. You need the brakes, you need the suspension, you need everything tight, decent.
But this is really nice. Considering this is polybushed.
I know.
These B14s, this feels really good.
Everything's.
I wouldn't have guessed that this was fully polybushed from the way this feels. Like going around the roundabout, you can tell everything's nice and tight.
I think Bilstein
on this road, it's soaking everything up nicely. But you've not got particularly bad vibrations or frequencies coming through the cabin either or anything. It's nice. Is it on purple series?
Yeah.
See, the problem is I went black series on my track car, and on the road it's just not. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. Yeah, this is a bit alright. This is.
Go on.
I'm gonna give ourselves a good gap. Like this, this car makes sense.
Going from the E46 M3 to this is an upgrade. I mean, this would destroy my old car.
This is a proper bit of kit. This is. The gearbox and the CAE would take some getting used to, which is why I look like an amateur driver right now, folks. Okay. This is something else to think about. This is because you can't just go for a gear. You got to make sure, like it does relax to the central position, but it's quite a narrow gap for each gear, isn't it? It's like a small window.
I'd only just had it fitted when I did my video with Dom,
right?
And I went from 2nd to 5th.
And which is fine,
easy done.
But if you're coming back down and you go 52nd by accident,
no.
money shift it and just it could be disastrous. I mean, it just goes.
And stops.
Like I said, these tyres are really good. At this temperature, what's it saying? It's about 12 degrees outside now. Earlier, when it was like 3-4 degrees, these tyres are no good. lovely. We heard it all the way up. Yeah. And the gearbox just sounds. It just sounds nuts. Like it's like having supercharger wine, but not. You know what I mean? It's yeah, so cool. Thanks ever so much for the experience. And yeah, you've made my day. That was wicked. Cheers. Right, until next time. I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.